Can I use a regular toothbrush and toothpaste to clean my dentures?
No, you cannot. You cannot use standard toothpaste to clean your dentures. It will scratch and create microscopic pores, and those will collect stain, and worse yet, they're going to collect pathogens, bacteria, fungi. So not only will you lose the shine of your denture, but they will also start getting you sick. That's why you should only use Clean-A-Dent paste, the only toothpaste to receive the American Dental Association seal of acceptance. Further, I would strongly recommend when you're cleaning the inside of the mouth and the dentures, the Dr. B denture and mouth toothbrush. It's extra soft, so it won't cause any scratches. It's gentle on the gums and on the implants, and it fits really well to clean all those nooks and crannies on a denture.